In this video, we are going to see how we can use or enable the voice typing in Microsoft Edge. And for that to be enabled, we need to first of all make changes to the Windows and we enable the voice typing from there. So all we have to do is just open the start menu and right here settings, hit enter. And on the left hand side, we click on privacy and security. And in the Windows permission, we will choose speech. And here you see this online speech recognition area. You can read through it and we need to toggle this on and just close out of here, close Microsoft Edge as well and just reinitiate, relaunch the browser. And then we want to hit the combination of Windows plus H key on the keyboard and it will open up the Microsoft speech services. After that, we will voice type, click on it and you can see that now it's voice typing on the browser. So that is it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.